What is going on, my Atomic Autoworks friends? I know we haven't been doing videos. We've been very busy, but I want to update you and show you what's been going on in the shop. As you can see behind me, Rick, who everybody knows Rick, who works here, he has a truck. He's had this thing for 16 years, and everybody knows how hard it is when you're working full-time and you're having a life and a family and all that to get the time to build something. He's very excited because he just put it in paint. A lot of years, a lot of time, a lot of hard work. So he's a very, very happy Rick. What I wanted to do is kind of show you some of the projects that we're doing. This is more of a vlog style video and just kind of give you like a shop update. I'm hoping that we'll be able to start doing videos soon because it has been insane. 7 days a week, insanity, trying to get people's cars in and out, bikes in and out. And now it's the springtime, so everybody is very anxious. So I'm gonna show you a little bit about what we're doing. Actually, I wanna show you our new paint mixing system because we are super, super excited about this. And that's gonna be part of the video. We're gonna show you board that we just painted with our new paint system, lifetime warranty. Just like all of our work that we do has always been a lifetime warranty. We only could use a product that also has a lifetime warranty and a product that we're really happy with. If you know us, you know that we are very, very, very particular about our work and the quality of the materials that we work with. We used PPG for a long time, switched over to Glazerite. I mean, when I say a long time, we used PPG for probably 15 years, switched over to Glazerite for another, I think we were with Glazerite for almost 10 years now. And it's really high-end paint and I love it. I love Glazerite paint. So it took a lot for me to switch to our new paint line, and we've been experimenting with it for quite some time, like we're experimenting with different paint lines for quite some time. This one here we're super happy with. Valorum. So we switched over to AkzoNobel, which was a big, big jump for us. So without further ado, I know you want to see the paint. You want to see the painted car, not the paint. That's more important. Okay, so here is the 42 Ford now. We still have to wet sand and buff it, obviously, but it is very nice. Looks a billion times better than it did. This is the new clear coat line that we're using, which we have to obviously, again, there's some texture in the paint, but there always is, and then we get to sand and buff it, and it looks beautiful. Bill actually went and put a coat of base on there. So the customer actually went and painted this himself, and then we were supposed to just clear coat it, but the paint was pretty rough, so we had actually sanded it down a little farther than we thought. And in doing so, obviously it broke through in spots, so we ended up fixing those areas. And I think Bill got pretty much one coat of base over the entire car, luckily, because it really made a huge difference. And let's go show you some of the other stuff we're doing. All right, so here is the 2011 Dodge Ram 1500. And this one was just in for a tailgate. Had some dents on it and dings. So we repaired that and repainted it. And the bumper was actually changed. It was a used bumper that he gave us that was pretty rusty. So we ended up stripping all the rust off of it and painting it to match. And it looks really nice. So now the back of this truck looks new. It's a very clean truck for what it is. We got a Chevy Express here. They just dropped off and has some small dings and dents and little stuff that we gotta take care of and just clean it up, make it look a little bit better. All little stuff. Really nice van though. This is a little follow-up on the 550. Now that it has the wheels painted and on there with wide flares and the modern front end, it actually looks pretty cool done up. Headliner in this one. So you can see it's a little different than the tan. Well, actually, I think it was like a neutral gray. That's a sharp looking ride now. Also has the LED lights in the back. We blacked out the spare tire, blacked out the running boards. And then here is the Highlander. They just dropped that off, and we have to do little dings on the doors, bigger ding on the fender, get her all painted and freshened up, and someone's gonna have a nice new Toyota. Okay, so now we're gonna go in the main shop and see what everybody's doing. Got some captain's chairs in for one of our local friends and customers. Got to reupholster those. And here is a seat that's in process that we're about to finish up. You can see it's for an FLH. We just did a nice tan thread on it. We just got to finish installing the cover and that will be ready to go. Oh, and here's a update on the Plymouth. Door panels are in. We're doing the headliner now. And then we're just gonna do the back panels. And she's actually pretty close. And then, oh, what do we have here? A Mercury Capri. We're doing a convertible top on this right now. Also had, the windows weren't working, which was a nightmare because you cannot get parts for this. So we actually had to really repair the original regulator and rewire it and recable it and stuff, which is kind of crazy. Okay, so the BMW 550i is actually painted and most of our parts done. We just have some issues we have to deal with Pro. Okay, so here we have a Dodge Dakota that came in for a seat repair. So this bolster here was actually ripped up. We don't touch anything else, just what needs to be repaired. So it was a little bit of a in and out today.